What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing a hood dampening kit for my FRS. So yeah, let's go. The box comes with hardware, so that way you can attach the what are these called? Dampener? Oh, the joints to the balls. So the dampener. No.
Do you want to set our stuff on?
Well, you're not wrong.
On top of the work table?
Yeah, here.
Actually, that's perfect. That is perfect. Let's open it up real quick.
Oh,
I already had a slip.
Yeah, that bolt right there, that's the one you need to remove. And also this one. Yeah. There's hardware in there which has adhesive pad. You put it on there and then screw this one down.
Oh my
Here, let me try. Your hands are probably cold and stuff. Mine are warm.
Pussy's so attractive this area.
Ow! Oh, my knee! Ow, my ankle!
There we go.
Darling.
So you want to install this part, which is the left one. So this one goes over here, right there. This bended part should fit snug right over this. You can use the same bolt that you just took out.
Currently waiting. I am looking at this pizza. Take a look at it. It looks really good.
Our camera died, so we had to use his.
No, bitch. Don't
Well, you show them the pizza.
Oh yeah. There's. Damn, bro.
What?
Sweet fuel injector.
Yo, nice memory.
That wasn't funny at all. No one knows that.
I hope they do.
Mine was cool.
Okay, so you're gonna take this bolt off now. So now that you took off that bolt, install this hardware like this. So just peel it off and the ball should be facing this way. Just remember that there's a left to right sticker, so it should be pretty straightforward. Okay, yeah. So there we go. We got both parts on. Okay, so you can grab any dampener. Doesn't matter. They don't have left or right stickers. So just connect it here and there. But remember, the carbon fiber has to go up. It should be like that. Like that. And then just prop it up. And it's a ball and joint. So it should just click on. And there you go. Oh, okay, there you go. Oh, okay. The problem that most people have is that they want to put the bottom of dampener here on this bolt or on this bolt. And if you do that, it won't close correctly. So remember it's this one.
Oh, listen to that engine
The turbo spool?
turbo.
Okay guys, so remember how Isaac was using his phone to record? So some of the footage kinda got messed up and it wouldn't render correctly. So this is the next day. I'm gonna show you what didn't make it. So yeah. Basically all it was like the ending. And I explained that you can just take off the prop, the hood prop. So the way you do that is just, yeah, like that. Just basically, it's like a little hook in there. And you just kind of twist it around and then just take it off. So yeah, I guess I'll show you how the dampening kit turned out. So yeah. Alright. So yeah. The hood prop only comes up to like right there. And with the hood dampeners, it comes up a little bit more. It gives you a little bit more space to work with. So yeah. So that was it opening, and this is it closing. Pretty smooth. So, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. More videos to come. Stay tuned.